Go, Cappy, go ahead. Keep control of those sleeves, Cappy. Now let's start making the tack, changing the angles up a little bit. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. All the way weave, Cappy, all the way de la Riva. You've got the grips you want. Yeah, on top, on top. Ian. Go get Ian for me. Sleeves, he's got his sleeves. Cappy, get your grips. Get a grip, please. Yep. Go, 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 Cappy.
Step back. Nice, Cappy.
Sure. Because I know he does the practice with you already, you know? So you're going to have his game. Cappy, we've got to attack. We can't just not make the game, not let him pass. Start putting some pressure on him, Cappy, with attacks. Yeah, go, 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 go. Go, Cappy. Go, get the belt, Cappy. Get the belt, Cappy. Go again, go again.
There you go. Get his sleeves here.
Good.
There you go.
No pass, no pass. Scoot back, Cappy, scoot back.
Nice.
It's the grip.
Cap, you need to get your left arm back.
No hooks, Cappy. Cappy, can you clear the other hook? No, 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 no. Kick your left leg straight back. Yes. Again. Yep. Put your shoulders flat. Put your shoulders flat. Turn hard. Put your shoulders flat. Go, go, go. Come on. Turn, Cappy. Turn, Cappy. You can't stop. Up, Cappy. Up, up. Go, Cappy. Get that foot. Get that foot.
You gotta get that free, you gotta get the elbow.
Copy, it's your left hand. You gotta get that left hand back into place. Good. Put your left hand across his waist, Cappy. Your left elbow. Good. Good. Now let's defend. Watch that choke. Put your hand inside. Good. Now turn back. Turn back. No, no, no. Turn the left to your left, Cappy. Go. Yes. There we go. Now go, 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 Cappy. Good, Cappy. Sweep. Keep that hook.
Fight to get your guard back.
The sweep's there, Cappy. Keep elevating him.
Cappy, elevate from your left leg. Elevate.
Good, Cappy. Come on.
There you go. Yes.
Attack, Cappy. Attack the arms. 2 minutes, Cappy. Let's go.
Cappy, get your grips. And then you got to open up. You got to attack.
Cappy, you're losing by 4, so if
You got to make something happen.
you can't just wait here, Cappy.
Open your guard up. Go to spider guard. There you go. Lasso, lasso.
Good, go.
Triangle. Triangle. Right, nice and shoot. Cappy, get your running. Walk your shoulders back.
Get back away, get back away. Stay down, Cappy. No, he's got to engage you.
Cappy, get your grips and shoot that time.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, Cappy. He's got to engage. Go, go, go. There it is. Go, Cappy. Minute, Cappy.
Triangle, triangle.
It's there, go, shoot it.
Okay, get the sleeves. No, don't roll through. Go, Cappy.
Come on, go, De La Riva, there it is. Just go. Get the heel.
Cappy's cut the angle on the De La Riva leg. Go to his back. Oh, yes.
Go, Cappy. Go to his back, Cappy. Go to his back, come on.
Cappy, invert. Get that leg and go. You gotta make it happen.
You gotta go, Cappy. Yes, yes. Two, mount. Go to the mount. Step over, Cappy.
Stay on top, Cappy.
Cappy, step your left leg over. Come on. Kick the floor. Yes, Cappy. 3. Beautiful. Cappy, don't. Good job. That's attack. Two, 3, 4. 9. Right? There we go. Just in case. But just in case.
Nice, Cappy.
Good job, Cappy.
Beautiful, Cappy. Let's call it happy. Great job, man.